Man lost control of his Segway and he couldn't stop it.
No. It's gonna hurt if it gets working, though. That thing's metal. 45 hours?
The Segway had a 45-hour battery life, so it wasn't turning off soon.
I'd use a broom before I'd use a shovel. And he goes, don't use the broom, use the shovel. I was like, yeah.
They had to turn it off before someone got hurt, and you won't believe what they did.
We need some more videos. You have to say the stern story.
I gotta see this.
Right. Right. Exactly.
Don't get caught in it.
That thing's a shin killer.
It needs to be on TikTok.
Yeah, really.
What you don't do.